Hey guys, welcome to another video. So Xiaomi is gearing up to add a cheaper variant in the Redmi K30 family, that is the Redmi K30i. They launched Redmi K30 5G smartphone last year and it's one of the most affordable smartphones with 5G connectivity. Unfortunately, it wasn't available outside of China. Now it's reportedly working on a more affordable variant for the K30 series with some features traded with cheaper options. And hopefully the Redmi K30i launches in other markets this time. According to Twitter tipster Xiaomishka and IT Home, the Redmi K30i is coming at the end of April. As for specs, it will be identical to Redmi K30 5G, so that means hopefully we will get to see a Snapdragon 765G processor, a 4500 mAh battery, 120Hz LCD screen and a quad rear cameras. But this new Redmi K30 variant is tipped to switch out the Redmi K30 5G's 64 megapixel main camera for a 48 megapixel main shooter, with rest of the cameras remaining the same. So primary camera is where they will cut corner. But it will keep the 5G capabilities. So overall, minor changes will occur with drop in price. You will save nearly 200 yuan. The Redmi K30i is set to retail for just 1799 yuan, which would make it the cheapest 5G smartphone of 2020 so far. But this is not the only 5G phone that will come to market. Apparently, leaked memo obtained by IT Home suggests that Xiaomi is going even lower later this year. The memo notes that they will launch a 1599 yuan 5G phone in June that will likely be a new member of the Redmi Note 9 series, and a 999 yuan 5G phone in November. If the memo is to be believed, then it points to 5G becoming truly affordable for all in the future. According to a report from Tech in Deep, Xiaomi is expected to launch the Redmi Pad 5G on April 27. Now I am not sure about this, mainly because I don't believe this leaker and there is no hint from Lu Weibing. Also, popular leaker Xiaomishka believes it to be fake, so it's better you don't keep your hopes high. But here's everything we know about this tablet. According to the reports, the device will run on Snapdragon 765 SoC along with a 90Hz refresh rate display. It is also expected to add 4 speakers and a 48 megapixel camera module with AI features. In the battery department, it will also come with support for 30-watt fast charging. The poster also revealed that the tablet will run MIUI for Pad, a tablet-optimized version of MIUI 12, and finally the tablet will likely launch with a price tag of 1999 RMB or just Rs 22,000. If it does launch with these specs, then this tablet will be a beast. Playing games such as PUBG, Call of Duty and many others on this tablet will be awesome. And that's it for today. Hopefully I will see you in the next one. Peace out.